The Tate House was designed to connect with its surroundings, embracing the site's natural features and emphasizing outdoor spaces. Instead of imposing a structure, this Mexican house serves as a tool to highlight the natural features of the site. Stone walls and volumes visually integrate the house into its environment, while the spaces between them are covered with traditional wooden and palm-thatch palapas. Masonry solids flank the living spaces, set on a concrete slab that establishes a horizontal axis throughout the house. The central pavilion, called the Threshold of Permanence, houses the public and social areas. It provides essential shade and physically and visually connects the outdoor dune and botanical garden. Additionally, it offers panoramic views of the Pacific Ocean horizon to the west and the Oaxacan mountains to the east, serving as a window to the house's surroundings. The house reflects regional craftsmanship, using local materials and simple construction methods to provide a rich tactile experience. The arrangement of the modules prioritizes the layout of outdoor areas, creating pathways and zones for contemplation. This design defines the boundaries between open and enclosed spaces, enhancing the overall experience. Interstitial spaces offer access to the rooms, inviting contemplation and channeling light through an oculus in the concrete slab, directing the gaze skyward. Private terraces overlook the botanical garden. The design emphasizes a connection to the earth, with walls gradually blending into the sky through the use of palm thatching. Through repetition and rhythm, the architects create a cohesive visual language, highlighting the interplay of light and shadow on concrete, stone, and wood. The centerpiece of the house is a desert botanical garden showcasing endemic species. Each plant was carefully selected and positioned to complement the pathways connecting the pavilions. Privacy from neighboring properties is ensured by dense vegetation composed of native tropical jungle species planted along the property's sides.